You can't put a good man on hold and expect him to wait around until you're ready. He's not lacking attention. He just chose you. He believed in what you two could grow into, but he can't build something real with someone who keeps pulling away when it's time to commit. The truth is, the only reason he held on for so long was because he saw something worth fighting for. He didn't want to start over. He wanted you to show up, but all you gave him were mixed signals and promises that never led to action. He gave you patience. He gave you loyalty, but taking his consistency for granted made him feel unvalued. And you can't neglect a good man for too long before he finally lets go. And when he detaches, it's done. You lost the version of him that wanted to stay, because the moment he realizes you were never going to choose him fully is the moment he finally chooses himself. Drop a 100 if you agree with me, and pass this on to someone who needs it. God bless.